Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea and in this video I want to share with you my thoughts why I opened a small position in the Fiserv stock in the last week. This is not a deep dive, this is just an explanation, brief explanation why I bought it. So let's dive in the numbers. And as we can see here, they reported not so long time ago their Q2 2025 earnings with a revenue of 5.5 billion, which is 8% up year over year. Net income 1 billion, 13% up. Earnings per share is $1.86, which is also up compared to the last year. The operating income increased 20%, and the operating cash flow in the first half of this year was 2.3 billion. And to me, this sounds good. The Fiserv is a growing machine. So why the stock have a so big sell-off recently? And this is because the original guidance was 10 to 12% growth this year, and they revised this to only 10%. And this, we must say that the Fiserv always grew double digit in the last, I don't know how many years. And this somehow spooked the big investors on the Wall Street, and they started selling the stock. And indeed, the stock of the Fiserv have the worst performing year since 2008 financial crisis. According to management, the drivers for this is the slower growth in the merchant segment, the delayed rollout of the new technologies like Commerce Hub and Cash Flow Central, and there is also economic macro uncertainty between the merchants. What is resulting that they are holding back, and also competition grow. Competitors like Block with their Square product or Toast, they are growing and they are gaining market share. But when we look on this from the long side perspective, the point of sale system, the Clover, is gaining adoption between the small businesses. Their digital banking. Did I wrote here some numbers? No, but their digital banking, their sales service see also grow. They had now some interesting acquisitions in the Europe, CCV and ARBM. They are also building infrastructure for stablecoins together with Solana and PayPal. So this everything looks good. To quantify this, they are trading now at the forward PE ratio of 70, and price to earnings growth is now 0.91, which indicates that the Fiserv stock is now the undervaluated. And the average price, what analysts expect this year, the price target for the Fiserv stock is $187, which is a decent upside. So what are the risks? we can see with or risk what I see. So there is a slowdown in the growth. They used to grow the double digit. They are a new competition, as I mentioned, especially from Block with their Square. There's a shift for payments, and Toast. They are gaining a market share. And I'm a big believer of Block, as you may know. They did grow 15% year over year to 28 billion, but if with their EBITDA of 6.3 billion, they have an interest coverage ratio of 4.7, which is still, I think, okay, so they can manage it. If the interest rates grow again, maybe they get some problems, but I don't expect this, at least in the short term. Speaking about the short term, we can see another sell-off, because if the big holders, big players continue to sell this stock, that's why I went in only with one position. So we can see some volatility if the institutional investors will continue their sell-off. So I'm more or less long-term or mid-term oriented. I'm looking for the next 5 years. If you are short-term oriented, maybe you should skip this one. But I think the growth story is still intact. If we will see some more liquidity pumped in the system in the next years, this will help also small businesses to grow, which will help also Fiserv to grow. They have still a very strong cash flow. They are a global, worldwide player, and they are proven themselves as an innovative company. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and write in the comments what you think of Fiserv. And until then, have a nice day and enjoy your weekend. Bye.